Hi, my name is Mehran and today I am going to show you how you can import your MySQL database into PHP or your MySQL database server. So let's start from today video. So first of all you will have to go into your start menu and you have to type here uh, you have to open XAMPP's control panel. So I'm going to type here XAMPP control panel. This is the icon. You have to click on it, double click, and now our XAMPP panel is going to be open. And just wait, it's being open. So I have set a setting to automatically start the services whenever I click on this icon, whenever I open this exam control panel. So you can see here the my as I click on this exam control panel, it's automatically started. Apache and MySQL has been started automatically. So if I close this and again open, you can see that the both are the running Apache and MySQL. So make sure that before import your database, your local server is should be in a running form. So now just I have to go in my local host. Okay, so it's my port number which is default. I have changed. So now PHP my admin. So here you can see the menu. Some databases are already created. So now I'm going to import a new database. So first of all I will have to import the name of database which I wanna. So I'm going to write here database name. It's no, it's my DB. Whatever you can give your name of your database. So I just have to click on it. Now new database MyDB has been created. I have to click on it and go on to import database, and you have to choose your database which you wanna import. So I'm wanna import database from the folder this result db I want to import. So just double click on it and go, and now our database is being uploaded. So if you see the here our the query has been executed. MySQL database has been imported. 20 queries executed in this time. So if I go click on it, my DB. So here you can my two tables, registrations and login tables has been imported successfully. So you can never directly import any database. Let's say try here import, click and result and make go. So you will see here an error because you have not defined any database selected before. So first of all you have to select any database or create a new database, then you can import database your tables. Like click here and then import. So I have already imported this table, so I don't need to import again. So this is a very simple way to import your database in your MySQL PHP admin. So also if you want to export your database, or I'm going to show you next in this video also. So just you have to click on the database name. Let's suppose I want to import this database. So just I have to click on it and go to my export databases. Now my database has is being displayed something. So here you have to select a template. You can create any new name. So which format you want to export your database in. You can also PDF, CSV file, my Excel file. So you don't need to change it. You have to import database SQL. So just click on it. Here you can see that your database successfully exported. You can show in also folder. This is the your database. So it is very simple way you can. I am going to delete it so I don't need to again. So you can see how easy this is to import and export database in MySQL admin. Thank you for watching video. I hope so you will be understand. If you have any other queries, so please give me a comment. I must give you the response back. Thank you. Bye bye. Tata.